Hi everyone, it's Cecilia here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. A very special thanks to you for tuning in, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon. Okay, it's just the bell next to the subscribe button. All right, to keep you informed each time I upload a new video. It's your girl here again in the same dress. Sorry, I just needed to drop two videos at the same time to cover up the time that I haven't dropped any video for you guys. Okay, so pardon me, this is kitchen mode activated and I just have to utilize the opportunity now that baby is not disturbing, right? So guys, it's a kind of gist. Okay, it's like a chit chat. We are going to chat first concerning this blender thing, okay? Then before we head straight into the main video. Okay, so for quite some time now that I've been in Europe, eating ogbono has been a kind of nightmare to me. Okay, so this is actually my fourth blender. Okay, I have packed it up for a very long time now. Okay, to the extent, in fact, this was the only one that lasted for me, so I just decided to pack it up because this one also got burnt. This one was very strong. It lasted for a while and after some time it got burnt. So I just decided, let me leave it. Back then in Nigeria, you can buy your ogbono from the market and blend it directly, okay? Right there in the market. Or you can decide to take it home. Okay, because of curiosity, you can just decide to take it home and clean it yourself and take it to the nearby store, even close to your house. Then you just blend it and you'll be okay. You come back home. Back then in Africa or Nigeria, you don't really have to have your own blender at home. But right here in Europe, the case is different. All right. So when I saw that this a problem of buying blender over and over again, or coffee blender over and over again, because ogbono, you all know ogbono is very hard. The seed is very hard. So I just decided to stay off ogbono, except when someone is coming from Nigeria and there is someone that will actually help me, okay, to buy and clean the ogbono and blend it. In most cases, I always tell them, just bring it like that. But when this blender issue now started repeating itself, thankfully on this fateful day, I went to one of my customers' house to make her hair. So she has this kind of apartment where you be in her living room, then you just be seeing the kitchen directly. So while she was sitting down, after a while, she now excused herself. She said, "Excuse me, I want to take this thing off the fire." So I almost never asked, because she was using this method that I'm going to be showing in this video to soften her ogbono. Because I'm this type, I don't really like intruding into people's privacy. The fact that I'm there to make her hair doesn't mean I should start looking at everything, questioning her or asking her things about what she has in her living room or in her kitchen. So I almost never asked. So after some time, I just summoned courage, because I've been going through that stress of buying blender over and over again, and I just summoned the courage to ask. So when I did, she now explained to me. If you use this method, you are going to definitely love it. Okay, please try and forward this video to 1 or 2 persons, because I believe it's going to be helpful to 1 or 2 persons. And please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. A lot are going to be coming out from this channel. Okay, the thing is, I'm a nursing mom for now. I don't really have much time to do the things that I'm supposed to do, like hair tutorial, makeup tutorial. I've got a lot to deliver, okay? But the thing is, time. Yes. All right, guys, let's get started. Ha 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 ha. Here we've got palm oil, already cleaned ogbono seeds, a saucepan, and of course a spatula. Place your saucepan on fire and set your fire on a low heat. Go ahead and pour your oil into your saucepan. Feel free to pour as much as you will be needing to cook your ogbono soup, because at the end of the day, this oil is not going to be wasted. So that is the reason why you should place your fire on a low heat, because we are not going to be bleaching the oil. Go ahead and pour your ogbono seeds into the oil. Give it a very good mix to have everything married together. Leave it to cook for 10, 12 to 15 minutes maximum. Keep an eye on it. We don't want our oil to change color. Go ahead and add more oil if you want to. Give it a very good mix. How do you know your ogbono seed is ready to be blended? It is when you pick on one and try to see if you can break it. If it is easily breakable, it means your ogbono seed is ready. Now you can see those little bubbles on top of the oil. It signifies that your ogbono seed is ready. You just set it aside, leave it to cool for some time. If you've got this kind of kitchen table, like a marble kitchen table, just go ahead and use white vinegar to clean the table properly and get a plumb bottle. Pour your ogbono bit by bit on the table and go ahead and blend it. Avoid using any lightweight chopping board except you've got a very heavy one, in order to avoid blending and dancing around with a chopping board. So using the kitchen table is more convenient. So you can see our ogbono, how easy it is to blend. Wow, so smooth. Your ogbono seed is blended and it's ready to be cooked. Haha. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful.